Alright, so in this video we're going to be learning about classes syntax. So the fundamental concept of object-oriented programming is the class. A class is a set of instructions that describe how an instance can behave and what information it contains. Java has predefined classes such as system, which we've used in logging text to our screen. But we also need to write our own classes for the custom needs of a program. Here's the definition of a class. So you have the public class, and make note that your class name is capital. And then you have the main method. You can also have you also have the scope of the entire class, the scope of the main method, and then your program tasks. So this example defines a class named car. Public is an access level modifier that allows other classes to interact with this class. For now, all classes will be public. This has the main method, which lists the tasks performed by the program. Main runs when we execute the compiled car.class. So we have create a public store class. Public class store. Okay. That works. And then your program will not compile with a main method. Define one within store. So the public static void main, or the string, and then RGS string RGS. Yep, there we go. So that is going to end the video. So this is the basic syntax of how to create a class, and then in the next video I'll show you guys how to create a constructor as well. Until then, have a nice day.